Welcome fellas into this new video of Tech Expressed. Now Asana is no longer a just to-do list, it's now a collaborative work hub where AI helps you to do the heavy lifting. So with the new smart summaries in AI Studio, you can spend less time managing work and more time actually doing it. So let's see how we can get started totally for free. First things first, let's set up your workspace. So we are directly now into Asana. You might be wondering, how can we get started? Well, the first thing is to generate your first portfolio. So if you focus directly here into your own projects, for example, I'm going to go here into the left section that says new project. Here, this is where we can actually start. Let's go and start with a blank project. You can start with an AI or template, but in my case, I'm going to start with a new blank project. The project name in this case, for example, will be Tech Express Videos. The privacy can be for only your workspace or private to me. When you hit to continue, you can choose the views for your project. You can start a Asana advanced trial if you wanted to, but in my case, let's just stick around with the one that they don't have, for example, these trial elements. So I'm going to just use the overview, the list, and the board. With this in mind, I'm going to hit into the option that says create my project. Just like that, I am now inside the list view. So when you have now generated your account, when you have generated your first project, it is time to add the full essential views. Now, Asana allows you to see the same data in 4 different ways. You have the overview, the list, the board, and usually you have the insights directly in here, or even you can add the own calendar. So what I loved the most to be focused on is into Gantt, but the Gantt it's only for a perturbation. So we can stick around with the free plan, so we can focus only for the list view. Now let's talk a little bit more about task, subtask, and the smart fields. A task needs 3 things: an assignee, a due date, and a description. Let's say, for example, that my first task is create my first YouTube video. I have now my first assignee. So my due date, for example, and design this task for myself, my due date, let's say for example that this one should be from the next Friday. So lastly here, I needed to add a description of the video. So I can add a priority element, for example here, and I can tell this is really prioritized. I can add much thing if I wanted to, but if I click directly here into my assignee tasks, I can add more stuff. For example, here into my description, I can add a first subtask. Let's say, for example, create a thumbnail, create a catchy title, create let's say create the draft, and so on and on. So as I am generating my drafts, let's say for example that I am ready to create my first video, so what I can do is to change this into the board elements. Now into the board element, for example, let's say that here is my pre-production. I double click here, and everything that appears here into the pre-production will be appearing right over here. So if I add a new section, let's say assuming for example that we are focusing into the generation of videos, I have 3 phases: my pre-production, the production, and the post-production. So I'm going to use this task and I'm going to move this into production. So that means that this video it's now been recorded, or it's already been recorded. So I can feel my subtasks that they have already been done, and I can start adding new subtasks. Let's say for example record the video, record audio, and we're good to go. When you finish with this element, what's going to happen now is that this can be sending into the post-production, and so on and on with all the tasks and subtasks. Now this is a game changer speaking about the AI Studio. Now the AI can be helping you to do much more stuff. Now I can be telling you that there's more elements that can be helping you to do this task for free. Now the most let's say like the usual problem here directly to Asana is that there are a few tasks that cannot be available if you don't have a paid plan. But we can focus directly into the insights, for example, which is going to be helping you checking out how it actually looks, the reporting, the task, and so much more. You have here the inbox of all the activity that has been done so far. You have here all the tasks that needed to be done, and here's going to appear as a list. You can be changing this for board, the calendars, into the files. Now, into the right section, you have the customization bar, which you can add more different fields, you can add more rules, and you can add application. Basically, the rules are like automations, like when something happens, then this happens. For example, let's say that if you created your first list and you finish with this specific Asana, you can tell Asana that when you scratch this is done, this automatically appears into the board of next thing to do, for example. And lastly, you have the application section. Application can be helping you to, let's say, make this much more faster. For example, you can enter and put this into your Google Calendar for a specific task. You can add this as a Chrome extension. You can generate more Notion elements. You can generate some video chat, reunions directly inside there, and much more stuff. So there's a lot of things to cover. There are more teammates, for example, integration, which you can just add them in here. There's more speaking about recording. There's more speaking about all of those. I personally don't love a lot of Asana because there's a lot of tools that are, let's say, only limited if you have the free version. But still, since it's totally for free, and if you're using the free elements or the paid version, you can let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be sending you an AI prompt guide for Asana if you wanted to. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you wanted to talk a little bit more about Asana and more project management, and let's say a few comparison between both of them or more than two of them. So thank you once again, fellas, for watching, and hopefully we can all see you guys next time.